Hi everybody, this is to help you with CR number 12. This is helper video number 2. It says solve for C to the nearest 100th. So let's take a look here. We have 62C plus 86 equals 32. Now, you all can do this first part. You all know how to solve two-step equations. So we're going to go ahead and draw our ladder. We're going to subtract 86 from both sides, which this side zeroes out. Now right here is when you can go ahead, you can use your calculator and you can, you can do 86 or 32 minus 86, and that's negative 54. Bring down your equal sign and bring down your 62C. Now we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 62. All of you know this. And do this on your calculator. Negative 54 divided by 62. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. So we know that. We know our answer is negative, but it says to round to the nearest hundredth. Well, here's the situation. Your answer is 0.8709. So far, it keeps going. So we're going to underline our place value, which is the hundredths place. Well, the 8 is in the tenths, the 7 is in the hundredths, so that's what we have to round to. And we look to the right. If it's 4 or less, it's out of sight, which is exactly what it is. So my final answer would be C equals negative 0.87. Now, if this number was greater than 4, like a 5 or more, I would add one more to that hundredths. But in this situation, it's not, so I just go ahead and keep it at 0.87. Good luck.